Assalamu alaikum. Class 10th, week 2, chapter 11, homeostasis. When we define the homeostasis, it is actually the maintenance. Maintenance of what? It is actually the maintenance of internal condition of the body. Maintenance of internal condition. What is the internal condition of the body? The internal condition mean there are two examples. The example one is 37 degrees centigrade is the temperature of the human body. Okay, the human body internal temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. Despite the fluctuation in the surrounding, बाहर आपके किसी भी तरह का टेम्परेचर हो बट आपकी ह्यूमन बॉडी का एक स्टिल टेम्परेचर जो है वो 37 डिग्री रहता है कि आपको कोई डिसऑर्डर नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, देन इट्स कॉल्ड होमियोस्टेसिस. द सेकंड एग्जांपल इज blood glucose level. The blood glucose level. Actually, the blood glucose level remains, always remains, for the stability is 1 gram per liter. When you take an enriched meal, it will be 1 gram per liter. Okay, despite of eating the more carbohydrate enriched diet, आपने किसी टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड रिच डाइट ले ली है तो आपकी ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल को मेंटेन करने के लिए आपकी बॉडी के अंदर प्रोसेसेस होते हैं, वो उसको फिर मेंटेन करते हुए 1 ग्राम पर लीटर पे कर देते हैं. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन. व्हाट इज़ द ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन? द टर्मिनोलॉजी ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन. द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ, इट इज़ एक्चुअली द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ फ्यू थिंग्स. Maintenance of what? Osmo. Osmo mean water plus salt. ठीक है? These are actually the water plus salt plus body fluids. What are the body fluids? The body fluids like the blood is the body fluid, and number 1 is the blood and the number 2 is the tissue fluid which is present inside our tissues. When the cells are combined they form the tissue. So the fluid which is present inside the tissue is called the tissue fluid. Like in our bone there is a fluid present which is called the synovial fluid. Okay, this type of the fluids. In our mouth there is a fluid present which is called saliva. Okay, these are actually body fluids. The maintenance of the amount of water, salt, body fluids, blood, tissue fluids, these are actually called the osmoregulation. The second terminology is thermoregulation. The word indicate thermoregulation. It is actually the maintenance of the word comes from the temperature. Temperature. Okay. Thermoregulation mean maintenance of internal body temperature. Okay. Temperature. Okay. Like, okay, an important thing I have to share with you, why the temperature becomes a cause of the death. Actually in our body a lot of functions are done by the enzymes. Enzymes are present inside our body and they do a lot of work. Like there is an enzyme which is present in our digestive system, trypsin, pepsin. These enzymes, these are the name of the enzyme. They actually work when we take the carbohydrate enriched diet. Then the carbohydrate enzymes comes and do their work and digest the food. Okay, so these are the enzymes which are present inside our body and they are doing their work normally. But when we are suffering from the fever, in this condition, simply the enzyme can work normally. The denaturation of enzyme. What is the meaning of denaturation? Denaturation. Denaturation means stop working. Stop working. Or stop working, actually denaturation. The activity of the enzyme like this. When the enzyme increase, then the working of the body and the working of that function becomes increase. A state condition, there is a limit. When the enzyme, the limit when the limit is crossed, then the enzymes stop their activity. At this stage the enzymes stop their activity. सो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर जब इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम होती है, व्हेन यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द फीवर, then the enzymes present in your body normally they can do their work in your digestive system or the other system also, but during fever they can never do the work, they denaturate. So that is the reason the functioning of the enzyme denaturate mean to say there is some blocking of end function. So death का cause होना ये reason है. इंजाइम्स जो हैं डीनेचुरेशन हो जाती है, वो अपना वर्क करना छोड़ देते हैं, आपकी बॉडी वीक और वीक जाते हुए इस तरह से आपकी किसी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी पे इफेक्ट आता है, आपकी डेथ हो सकती है. ओके, दिस इज़ द बेसिक रीज़न कि कहते हैं ना कि भाई फीवर हुआ था, उसे 5-6 दिन बुखार था और फीवर था और इस वजह से उसकी डेथ हो गई. पता नहीं सिर्फ बुखार ही हुआ था. एक्चुअली ये बात नहीं होती. आपकी बॉडी के अंदर बहुत से बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस हो रहे होते हैं, उसमें से किस चीज़ जगह पे जाके मेल फंक्शनिंग कोई डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट होती है तो वो कॉज बनती है. ओके, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. द सेकेंड वन इज देयर आर 2 वर्ड्स. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन द गटेशन एंड द ड्यू. What is dew? Dew, Shabnam, small drops which are present at the atmosphere air. Okay, the water present. What is dew? The water present in atmospheric air. Atmospheric air. Okay, the surface of the plant become wet. The surface of plant, especially the leaves become wet. This is called the dew. Okay, the next word, which is a new one, is a guttation. What is the meaning of guttation? Gut mean the loss of water. Okay, by some gut mean to say the loss of water from plant body, from the body of the plant by some spores, by some pores present at the leaf tips. The pores are present at leaf tips or edge of the leaves. Okay, so the meaning of guttation is it is actually the loss of water from the plant, the loss of water from the plant by some pores which are present at leaf tips. But when we talk about the dew, these are normally present in atmosphere. Okay, शबनम के कचरे जिसे हम कहते हैं कि surface of the plant is wet due to the dew drops. Okay, in some climate. The next important one is osmotic, main topic, osmotic adjustment in plant. Osmotic adjustment in plant. This is our main topic. The osmotic adjustment in plants, they are actually, when we discuss this topic, we must know that there are 3 types of the plants. One are the hydrophytes. The second is the xerophytes, and the third one are the halophytes. Okay, the hydrophytes. Hydro mean water, so the word indicate that they are actually completely or